Sleep is more than just a nightly routine. It's a cornerstone of our health and well-being. Poor sleep habits can lead to fatigue, irritability, and even long-term health issues. Many people underestimate the impact of sleep on their daily performance, mood, and overall health. In this video, we'll explore practical steps to fix poor sleep habits and help you wake up feeling refreshed. Let's start by understanding why sleep is so important and how it affects every aspect of our lives. Before you can fix your sleep, you need to recognize the habits that are holding you back. Are you staying up late scrolling on your phone? Drinking caffeine in the evening? Or maybe you're working or studying right up until bedtime. Identifying these patterns is the first step. Take a moment to reflect on your nightly routine and jot down anything that might be disrupting your sleep. Awareness is the foundation for change. One of the most effective ways to improve your sleep is to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Start by choosing a bedtime and wake-up time that fits your lifestyle, and stick to it as closely as possible. Consistency is key to resetting your sleep patterns. A calming bedtime routine signals to your body that it's time to wind down. This could include activities like reading, gentle stretching, or listening to soothing music. Avoid stimulating activities such as watching TV or checking emails right before bed. By following a relaxing routine each night, you'll train your mind and body to associate these actions with sleep, making it easier to drift off. The blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. Try to avoid screens for at least an hour before bedtime. If you must use devices, consider enabling night mode or using blue light blocking glasses. Reducing screen time in the evening can make a big difference in the quality of your sleep. Caffeine is a stimulant that can stay in your system for hours, making it harder to fall asleep. Try to avoid coffee, tea, and energy drinks in the afternoon and evening. Instead, opt for herbal teas or water. Being mindful of your caffeine consumption can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restful sleep. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for sleep. Keep the room cool, dark, and quiet. Consider using blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine if needed. Make sure your mattress and pillows are comfortable and supportive. A well-designed sleep environment can make falling and staying asleep much easier. While a short nap can be refreshing, long or late naps can disrupt your nighttime sleep. If you need to nap, keep it under 30 minutes and avoid napping late in the day. This helps ensure you're tired enough to fall asleep at your regular bedtime, supporting a healthy sleep cycle. Physical activity during the day can help you fall asleep more easily at night. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. However, try not to exercise too close to bedtime, as it can be stimulating. Find a routine that works for you and stick with it to support better sleep. Stress and anxiety are common culprits behind poor sleep. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or journaling before bed. Creating a sense of calm can help quiet your mind and prepare your body for restful sleep. Remember, managing stress is an ongoing process, but every small step counts. Eating large or rich meals late at night can cause discomfort and disrupt your sleep. Try to finish eating at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. If you're hungry, opt for a light snack like a banana or a small bowl of oatmeal. This helps your body focus on rest, not digestion. While alcohol might make you feel sleepy at first, it can actually disrupt your sleep cycle and reduce sleep quality. Try to limit alcohol consumption, especially in the hours leading up to bedtime. Opt for water or herbal tea instead. Your body will thank you with deeper, more restorative sleep. Tracking your sleep patterns can help you identify what's working and what needs improvement. Write down when you go to bed, when you wake up, and how you feel each morning. Over time, you'll notice patterns and be able to make more informed changes to your routine. Sleep isn't just one long stretch. It's made up of cycles that include light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. Each stage plays a unique role in your health. Understanding these cycles can help you appreciate why consistent, uninterrupted sleep is so important for feeling rested and alert. Changing sleep habits doesn't happen overnight. Set small, achievable goals, like going to bed 15 minutes earlier or turning off your phone 30 minutes before sleep. Celebrate your progress, no matter how minor it seems. Every positive change brings you closer to better sleep. It's normal to have setbacks when trying to change your sleep habits. Don't get discouraged if you slip up. Instead, focus on getting back on track the next day. Remember, consistency over time is what leads to lasting change. Be kind to yourself throughout the process. Exposure to natural light during the day helps regulate your body's sleep-wake cycle. Try to spend time outside in the morning or early afternoon. If that's not possible, open your curtains or use a light therapy lamp. Natural light signals your body when to be awake and when to wind down. Drinking too much before bed can lead to frequent trips to the bathroom, disrupting your sleep. Try to limit your fluid intake in the hour or two before bedtime. This simple change can help you sleep more soundly through the night. A clean, comfortable bed can make a big difference in how easily you fall asleep. Wash your sheets regularly, fluff your pillows, and keep clutter off your bed. Creating a cozy sleep space encourages relaxation and signals your brain that it's time to rest. Try to reserve your bed for sleep and intimacy only. Avoid working, eating, or watching TV in bed. This helps your brain associate your bed with rest, making it easier to fall asleep when you lie down at night. If you find your mind racing at bedtime, try relaxation techniques like progressive muscle relaxation, guided imagery, or gentle breathing exercises. These methods can help calm your thoughts and prepare your body for sleep. Experiment to find what works best for you. Staring at the clock when you can't sleep can increase anxiety and make it even harder to drift off. If you wake up in the middle of the night, resist the urge to check the time. Instead, focus on relaxing and letting sleep come naturally. If you can't fall asleep after 20 minutes, get out of bed and do a quiet, relaxing activity in dim light. Return to bed only when you feel sleepy. This prevents your brain from associating your bed with wakefulness and frustration. Light exposure at night can interfere with your body's natural sleep signals. Use blackout curtains, cover electronic displays, and turn off unnecessary lights. A dark environment helps your body produce melatonin and signals that it's time to sleep. A cool room temperature is ideal for sleep. Most people sleep best in a room between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Adjust your thermostat, use a fan, or open a window to find your perfect sleep temperature. Noise can easily disrupt your sleep, especially if you're a light sleeper. Use earplugs, a white noise machine, or a fan to mask disruptive sounds. Creating a quiet environment helps you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Certain scents, like lavender or chamomile, can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Use essential oils, a diffuser, or scented candles in your bedroom. Aromatherapy is a simple way to create a calming sleep environment. Nicotine is a stimulant that can make it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. If you smoke, try to avoid doing so in the hours leading up to bedtime. Quitting smoking altogether can have a huge positive impact on your sleep and overall health. Trying too hard to fall asleep can backfire. If you're not sleepy, do something relaxing until you feel tired. Letting sleep come naturally is more effective than stressing over it. Trust your body's signals and be patient. If you've tried everything and still struggle with sleep, you may have a sleep disorder like insomnia or sleep apnea. These conditions can seriously impact your health and quality of life. Don't hesitate to seek help from a healthcare professional if you suspect a sleep disorder. Learning more about sleep can empower you to make better choices. Read books, watch documentaries, or follow reputable health websites to deepen your understanding. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to improve your sleep habits. If you share your home with others, involve them in your efforts to improve sleep. Encourage family members to adopt healthy sleep habits too. A supportive environment makes it easier to stick to your goals and enjoy better rest together. Besides caffeine and nicotine, other stimulants like certain medications or energy drinks can interfere with sleep. Check with your doctor if you suspect your medication is affecting your rest. Being mindful of all stimulants can help you sleep better. Some people turn to sleep aids, but these should be used with caution and only under medical supervision. Over-the-counter or prescription sleep medications can have side effects and may not address the root cause of poor sleep. Always consult a healthcare provider before using sleep aids. Staying active during the day helps build up sleep pressure, making it easier to fall asleep at night. Even light activities like walking or stretching can make a difference. Aim to move your body regularly for better sleep. Temperature plays a big role in sleep quality. If you wake up sweating or shivering, adjust your bedding or thermostat. Finding the right temperature can help you sleep more soundly through the night. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation or gentle yoga, can help quiet your mind and reduce stress before bed. Even a few minutes of mindful breathing can make it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Incorporate mindfulness into your nightly routine for better rest. If worries keep you up at night, try writing them down before bed. This can help clear your mind and prevent rumination. Remind yourself that you can address concerns in the morning, freeing your mind for rest. There are many apps designed to help track sleep or provide relaxing sounds. Use these tools if they help, but don't become overly reliant on technology. The goal is to build healthy habits that last, with or without digital assistance. A positive mindset can make it easier to stick with new sleep habits. Focus on your progress and the benefits you're experiencing, rather than setbacks. Encouragement and optimism go a long way in building lasting change. If you've tried multiple strategies and still struggle with sleep, it may be time to consult a sleep specialist. Persistent sleep problems can signal underlying health issues. Professional guidance can help you find the right solution for your needs. Every step you take toward better sleep is worth celebrating. Whether it's going to bed on time or waking up feeling rested, acknowledge your achievements. Positive reinforcement helps you stay motivated and committed to your goals. Your sleep needs may change over time due to age, stress, or lifestyle changes. Be flexible and willing to adjust your routine as needed. Regularly check in with yourself to see what's working and what might need tweaking. Consistency is the secret to lasting change. Stick to your sleep schedule and routines, even when life gets busy. Over time, these habits will become second nature, leading to better sleep and improved well-being. By making small, consistent changes, you can transform your sleep habits and enjoy the benefits of restful nights. Better sleep means more energy, improved mood, and a healthier life overall. Remember, the journey to better sleep is personal. Find what works for you and embrace the process.